unboxing of my new toy. It's 7 by 12s or 14, not sure. It's either a Vevor or the mophorn mini lathe. So just unbox and we'll see what's inside. So I've already have a sneak inside the box, and believe me, these boxes bite fingers. So be careful. Okay, let's just have a first look on the inside. So here's the bottom tray. That's pretty clean actually. It gets pretty filthy. And Vevor, what it says, so I'm not sure. I was thinking of ordering the mophorn one, but it appears that its brand name is Vevor. Not quite sure. Oh, actually, nothing's moved. It's pretty rigid. No play at all anywhere. Toolbox. Accessories, tool, bits, pieces, gears, all that stuff. Okay. Over here we have our tail stop live center. We have that tool. It's upside down. Oh boy. Okay. So 9-piece carbide cutting tools. 12mm by 12s. So these are freaking long. It cuts. This is good. And what do we get? Another little box. Not really sure what this is. It's a little bit hard to open one-handed. And there's another one tab over there. Oh, a little lamp, battery. Well, I might use this for a plane or something else. I don't know. cool. You know, for the price, it's not an expensive brand, but I think it's pretty decent. It looks great, at least at the first sight. So this is the box. Check. I ordered one, but it's supposed to be in a different package, so maybe they send me this an extra or something. I don't know. And yeah, this must be going with this. So. I think this is it. Everything seems pretty stiff. No play. No play at all. So this is it, the Vevor mini lathe. So maybe next video we'll try to turn on power on this thing and actually try turning a little something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see you next time.